Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this quick video and show you guys the headband wig that I was gifted from UniWigs. When I first posted my pictures, I got a lot of traction. I got a lot of reactions. A lot of people seem to be absolutely obsessed with it. So I just wanted to show you guys the wig, my process of putting it on, and show you guys just how easy and effective it is. Like when you don't have time, which I don't, and you really just want to get a cute hairstyle, this wig is literally perfect for you. So to start off, I have my hair slicked back into a ponytail, as you can see, and I'm gonna show you guys how I apply this headband wig onto my head.
I don't wanna stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low. Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You